Welcome back to the AutoLooks Tidbit Show. I'm your host, as always, the Doctor of the Automotive Industry, Mr. Everett J, talking to you about a death in the family. Not my family, the automotive family, and how we just lost the LS7 7.0-liter V8 crate engine from Chevrolet. Yes, this big block V8 is now gone forever. As of 2022, you will no longer be able to get a 7-liter V8 crate motor from Chevrolet anymore. This is sad news for a lot of us in the aftermarket community, as it is now showing the signs of the future for movement into electrification. And unfortunately, we are going to lose some of these great engines from the past. So yes, let's all bow our heads and remember the great times we had with the LS7 7-liter V8 crate engine.